The answers for the quiz on Forex framework in India. Let's take the first question. Please mark the odd one out. In this, if you see why, you have to find out what is the odd one out. That means three would be the same, while the fourth one would not be the same. See, FERA 1947. Yes, it was. This has taken. It was correct. FERA 1947 change into Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1973. Correct. That is also yes. It was there. Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Yes, that is correct. Foreign Exchange Monitoring Act. This is wrong. It was not monitoring, it was management. So this is a right answer. Foreign Exchange um, Management Act is the answer which we are looking for. This is the odd one out. Let's go to the next one. FEMA 1999 does not mention. Let's start from the other way around now. We have seen that yes, FEMA 1999 is mentioning what is the classification of that the non-residents are now classified as per the IT Act. FEMA 99 is telling us that current account transactions are permitted, current account, unless otherwise restricted by, then all the current account transactions are permitted. So this is also correct. Definition of current account and capital account, very much it is given in FEMA 1999. Violations have criminal consequences. If you recall, violations do not have criminal consequences in FEMA 99. This is the odd man out. This is wrong. In FERA, up till FERA 1973, the violations had criminal consequences. So this is point number one is the right answer. Let's go to the next one. Please mark the incorrect answer. Authorized persons deal in foreign exchange. Yes, they deal in foreign exchange. They deal in foreign exchange as well as they deal in foreign securities. Must obtain FEMA declaration from customers. Yes, they have to obtain the FEMA declaration from the customers. Are not to refuse any transaction. They can refuse a transaction if they find that it is not okay. And if need be, they can even report it to the RBI. Remember? So this is incorrect. The right answer is are not to refuse any foreign exchange transaction. Authorized persons do not comprise authorized dealer category 4. There is no category 4. There is only category 1 to 3. And then there are full-fledged money changers and restricted money changers. So this, and this are correct. This is wrong. Our answer to the question is authorized dealers category 4. Let's go to the next question. AD category 2. They purchase and sell foreign exchange for private and business visits abroad. Yes. Yes, they do this. Are permitted to carry out transactions incidental to foreign exchange activities undertaken by, this is, you see, category 3, you remember? SIDBI, etc. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Are authorized to carry out all current and capital out transactions permitted by RBI? No. This is to be done by category 1. Do trade-related transactions, including relating to medical, education, subscription, etc. This is category 3. So category 2, if you see, only they are only doing this purchase and selling of foreign exchange for private and business abroad. This is the right answer. Going to the next one. ADs have to comply with master directions and APDAI series circulars. Correct. Follow RBI formats to keep on record transactions related information. No. FEMA, as per FEMA, now the ADs can devise their own format. Remember? So they have to levy charges and quote rates fixed by FEDI. No. FEDI is no longer quoting, telling that what charges to be there, what rates have to be quoted. That is left to the AD. Levy charges and quotes rated rates, etc. fixed by RBI. That is also wrong. So only first one, this is the right answer, that comply with master directions and APDIR series circulars. Okay, let's go to the next one. And RMC purchases and sells foreign exchange with public for private and business visits abroad. See, this is restricted money. RMC stands for restricted money changer. They cannot sell, so this is a wrong answer. Deals in foreign currency notes, coins, and tablet checks. Yes, they are dealing in foreign currency notes, coins, and tablet checks. Sources FCTC from banks to sell to the genuine customers, let alone genuine customers. They are not permitted to sell. When they cannot sell, so there's no question of sources sourcing the foreign currency or tablet checks from the banks, etc. So this is wrong. Must keep RBI informed regarding franchise agreements with AD, FMC. No. Whatever franchise agreement is entered between the RMC and the authorized dealer or FFMC, that need not be informed to the RBI. It is just a private agreement between the two parties. So only this is the correct answer. Sorry. Deals in foreign currency, notes, coins, and tablet checks. This is the correct answer. The others are all incorrect. Going on to the next question. Nostro account is our account with them in their currency. Correct. Our account with them in their currency. That is correct. Your account with us in our currency. That is Vostro, not Astro. Right. So we have already seen this is right. But let us also consider why the others are wrong, because this is a Nostro account. Their account with you in your currency. This you remember. It is a Loro account, not Nostro. Their account with you in their currency. No, it is not that. It is just a red herring. So the right answer is Nostro account is our account with them in their currency. This is the right answer. Next question. Please mark the odd one out. FEDI guidelines are binding on all banks. Yes, FEDI guidelines are binding. FEDI is regulated by RBI. FEDI is working under the RBI. FEDI furthers the interest and regulates the dealings between RBI, APs, public and Forex brokers, and what should I call this? So FEDI furthers the interest and regulates the dealings between RBI, authorized persons, publics, Forex users. Yes, this is correct. FEDI arranges various events for development of foreign exchange market. Correct. So 1, 3, and 4 are correct. This is FEDI is not regulated by RBI. It is only working as an extension of the RBI. It is not regulated by RBI. It is an independent body. Remember, it's an independent body. So the odd one out is FEDI is regulated by RBI because it is the wrong answer. FEDI is not involved in harmonizing the interest of ADs and customers. No, they are. Promoting growth in external sector, supporting international trade. That also they are doing. Inputs to ICC publication. Yes, they are involved in giving inputs to ICC publications. Remember, the India's point of view for the ICC publications has been given by FEDI. Monitoring broking activity in interbank forex market. Yes, that also they are doing. And undertaking foreign exchange operations. No, FEDI is not undertaking any foreign exchange transactions. They are not involved in foreign exchange transactions. They are only guiding, etc., to the authorized dealers. So this is the wrong answer. So FEDI is not involved in undertaking foreign exchange operations. That is the correct answer. Next one. FEDI is not announcing benchmark rates. No, they are announcing benchmark rates. Remember, overnight and month end, etc. Fixing bank charges for various types of forex transactions. No. Now the banks are, ADs are independent to fix their own charges. The only thing is they should be in consonance with the average cost. Providing guidance, information, and issuing guidelines. Yes, FEDI is very much into providing guidance, information, and issuing guidelines to ADs and etc. Acting as a facilitator between member banks and RBI export organization. Yes, FEDI is acting like a facilitator, a go-between RBI on the one hand, member banks and export organizations on the other. So FEDI is a sort of agency between the all of them. So it is a facilitator. So the second question is the right answer because FEDI is not fixing bank charges for various types of forex transactions. Next question says FEDI does not frame rules regarding banking hours. They do. Crystallization policy for export bills? No. FEDI is not doing this. Remember, definition of known holiday they are doing, definition of sudden declared holiday they are doing, but crystallization policy for export bills, etc., is not done by FEDI. It is left to the individual ADs. Banks do not need correspondent banks for collection of bills, checks, etc. Abroad, you don't have a branch, then you have to have the correspondent bank. Providing credit information on business houses, that also they go to correspondent banks. Nostro Voxtro accounts for settlement of transactions. The correspondent banks are, we are having Nostro and Vostro accounts with them, or they help us open the Nostro Vostro accounts. So that is also not the correct answer. Granting loans for import export. You see, correspondent bank is not going to grant a loan. Import export is local at our level within the country. So correspondent bank is not doing it. The right answer for banks do not need correspondent banks for granting loans for import export. DGFT works under RBI, Ministry of Commerce, Customs, FEDI. See, DGFT is working under the Government of India and Ministry of Commerce, and then comes DGFT, and customs are working under the DGFT. So DGFTI is working under Ministry of Commerce. It is not working under RBI. It is not working under customs. It is not working under FEDI. The right answer will be Ministry of Commerce. Please mark the incorrect option. FTP has negative list of imports. Yes, FTP is having a negative list of imports. And let's go. Sub list of goods which are to be imported only by canalizing agency. Yes, this is the third sub list. Restricted where authorization for DFT is needed. Yes, this is the second list, second sub list. Sub list of banned cannot be imported. Yes, this is the first sub list. Sub list of IEC is not issued. There is no sub list for IEC not issued. IEC is issued. The importer exporter code is issued by the DGFT. So we find that this is the right answer. That brings us to the end of the quiz.